Before starting this video, I would like to tell you that in the video I mention that this is the 5th demo of CarbonDF. Now you may then look at my channel and wonder, oh wait, where are the other 4 demos? Well, for some reason they disappeared from my channel without any reason, without even telling me that they were removed, no email, no nothing. Yeah, alright. Onto the video. Alright, hello, welcome to CarbonDF demo number 5, I believe. First of all, sorry for the hiatus. For the 3 people who cared, I just had a bunch of stress from school. Hopefully that's over, and I can go back to putting out some updates again. The reason it took me more time, except for the school, is because I've migrated to ANTLR's listener pattern. You can look that up if you want to read more about it. I was just dumb and I haven't used it before. So that's behind the scene, behind the hood changes, under the hood changes. Now, features that I've added in the meantime are, first of all, returning values, as you can see here and here, as well as complex items, which you can see here. So complex items include dictionaries and lists. So first of all, returning values can be done with this syntax: arrow return values, and that also allows for, and this is a bit different from normal div code, you can list the variables you want to return from the function inside the return block, and behind the scenes what it will do is create a new set variable. So this is the same as doing this result, result equals res. So it's the same thing basically, but behind the scenes. Secondly, complex items, which are dictionaries, can actually be created inside of another. I've created a small system that basically deconstructs the whole thing, and which allows you to nest creation of dictionaries. Allow me to transpile it. Alright, as you can see, I've migrated both functions. I haven't migrated the external one, which is marked as extern, but I've migrated both other functions into df. First of all, let's go over multiply. The return variable has been converted into a normal parameter of type variable, and it's been inserted before the other variables, the other parameters. So we've got result, n and m, and then here we've got the multiply block, res equals n times m. We've got the result equals res and the control return block. And here we've got function main, which has no parameters. We've got multiply, aa equals 1 times 2. Multi-return, which has got both of its assigned values. And then this is where the complex item creation begins, so we're gonna go backwards. This is the final dictionary underscore, which is comprised of 2 lists, underscore.k and underscore.v. It basically takes the names and appends the .k and .v. What are .k and .v? This is the .k list, it's just a list of all the keys. And this is the .v, which is a list of all the values. As you can see, this is the AA value, or variable value from before. This is the number 10 value which we've put, and then we've got the second depth complex item. So we've got underscore at dicting, and then underscore at listing, which is how I separate basically, or add more in-depth items. So if we go to this great list, we can see this is underscore at listing, for example, which has 1, underscore at listing at 1, which, by the way, here it's actually the index, and then 3. 1, underscore at listing at 1, 3. yeah, this is how you... the reason I'm using dot and at, like dot and ats to separate things, so for example here we've got dots and here we've got ats, is because these are actually illegal names in CorbonDF. So I can use them inside here to basically create the lists. As you can see, we can go all the way to dicting.k, dicting.v, etc. Yeah, that was demo number 5, and yeah, thank you for tuning in, I guess.